Okay. What does this sign on the right mean?
It means it begins with there's
A bicycle lane begins.
Right.
Okay, go ahead. And then of course see the solid line? That's where the bicycles, yes. Now you're making a right turn onto the next street, so notice the solid line for the bicycle. Now if there's a broken white line, and there is, that's where you go in. So check your right shoulder, then you can go in on the broken line. And don't stop, hand over hand, 20 kilometers an hour into the turn, and recover. Good. It's a little bit slow, but nevertheless. So remember, those signs, you have to understand them. A lot of drivers are driving around and they don't know what those signs mean. So as I see them, I'll be talking about them just so you understand how to deal with them. Now you see the line, now you don't. Track, leave. So this one was a four-way stop sign. You're the first one, so of course you leave. Now what does that green sign mean to the right with the arrow? Crossing ahead. Yeah, so it lets you know in advance there's a crossing. A kid's crossing. And here again you have a stop sign. A three-way stop sign. Now you see it, now you don't. Stop. Check. Leave. Oh, you're spinning your tires. You just flunked your test and you could end up smashing up too. Because notice the car went sideways. That's erratic behavior. You have to go for the accelerator immediately but gently. Now slow down just a bit. Look at that yellow sign to the right with the arrow. What does it mean? 20 kilometers an hour into the turn. Keep going.
Okay.
Just that into the turn you have to get down to 20 for safety reasons. And they're warning you about that sign with the sign because of the stop sign. Now you see it, now you don't.